Bodi ki chutney without bodi, how it's possible? You have to watch till end. Actually, it is a Bihari recipe I learned. So let's start.
Let me show you what we need for this Bodi ki chutney or Barboti ki chutney. So we need this Barboti or Bodi, and this one green chili I am using very less, Lasoon or garlic. This is salt, Amchur powder or dry mango powder, and this is mustard oil. That's it. So first I will cut it. I will put this in iron rice. So first sarson ka tel, mustard oil.
Add garlic pod. And now whole green chili. Saute and fry for couple of minutes till it is soft and tender. Cool down a bit in room temperature and then in a mixer grinder have to mix everything first. Add amchur powder. Add salt. Now add water. Now mix. Grind and mix in a semi-coarse paste. So bodi ki chutney is ready. Now I will sprinkle with some mustard oil. Serve it with plain rice and enjoy. And thank you for watching Madhuruma's Kitchen and Madhuruma's YouTube channel. Find me in Google, Instagram, Facebook.